Welcome to Autoscope, your ultimate destination for detailed car reviews. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Honda City, a sedan that redefines sophistication, technology, and performance. Stick around as we uncover why this car could be your next perfect ride. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Autoscope for more in-depth car reviews. Starting with the design, the 2025 Honda City showcases an evolved and sleek exterior. Its bold front fascia features a redesigned honeycomb grille, flanked by sharp LED headlamps with integrated DRLs. Honda's signature streamlined silhouette is enhanced with 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels and a refined rear bumper with LED tail lamps, giving it a sporty yet premium appeal. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that screams luxury and functionality. The 2025 Honda City offers a dual-tone interior with premium soft-touch materials on the dashboard and doors. The 10.2-inch fully digital instrument cluster and a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensure you're always connected. Honda has also upped the ante with ventilated seats, ambient lighting, and a spacious layout that makes long drives a breeze. Rear passengers enjoy best-in-class legroom and dedicated AC vents, adding to the overall comfort. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda City is powered by a refined 1.5-liter IVTEC petrol engine producing 121 horsepower, paired with either a CVT or a 6-speed manual transmission. This setup ensures smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and an impressive fuel efficiency of up to 18 kilometers per liter for the CVT variant. For eco-conscious drivers, Honda offers a hybrid version with its e:HEV system. This delivers a combined output of 126 horsepower and a staggering mileage of 26.5 kilometers per liter, making it one of the most fuel-efficient sedans in its class. The 2025 Honda City truly shines when it comes to technology. It includes Honda Sensing, an advanced driver assistance suite, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. Other tech highlights include a 360-degree camera, wireless charging, a premium 8-speaker audio system, and Honda Connect, an app-based feature that lets you remotely lock/unlock your car, track its location, and even diagnose issues. Driving the Honda City feels intuitive and refined. Its well-tuned suspension absorbs road imperfections effortlessly, and the steering is precise, making it a joy to drive both in the city and on highways. With low NVH levels and a robust chassis, the 2025 Honda City offers a class-leading driving experience. To sum it up, the 2025 Honda City combines elegant design, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional performance. Whether you're seeking a fuel-efficient daily driver or a feature-packed family sedan, this car delivers on all fronts. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Autoscope for more honest and detailed car reviews. Let us know in the comments, what feature excites you most about the 2025 Honda City? Until next time, drive safe and stay informed.